The Direct Motion Brushless Rev 25 is a laser stabilizer PCB as marked, but in reality, it is a small motor control used in a Rottler boring system, which bores out cylinders in an engine block. This board came in very damaged, and part of the board was even destroyed, and had to be fully cut out, and all the carbon removed before we could insert new fiberglass and run new wired connections to the board. The majority of the isolated output side of the motor control was clearly destroyed and required a full replacement, which we then powered up and let sit and idle as shown in the video. This type of repair requires letting the system sit under power so we can verify any and all problems with the prior carbonizing are now fixed.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.